Morning students, today we discuss next topic, that is hydrogen bonding. So what is hydrogen bonding? When hydrogen atom is bonded to atoms of highly electronegative elements such as fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, the hydrogen atom have tendency to form a weak bond with electronegative atom of other molecule. जिमें साढ़े को HF है उदे अर्गे एक होर मॉलिक्यूल है दैट मॉलिक्यूल, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. क्लियर? So what is actually hydrogen bonding definition? It is the attractive force which binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative atom like a fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen of another molecule is known as hydrogen bond or bonding. ਇਹ ਉਹ attractive forces ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਐਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਐਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਦੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਐਟਮਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੌਂਡਿੰਗ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਬੌਂਡ ਔਰ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਬੌਂਡਿੰਗ. ਫॉर एग्जांपल this is a first molecule of HF and it is a second molecule of HF and it's a third molecule of HF. So the bonding between electronegative atom of one molecule and hydrogen atom of other molecule, hydrogen atom of other molecule, and this red line is show hydrogen bonding, is show hydrogen bonding. So always we represent hydrogen bond with dotted lines, clear? And always we represent covalent bond with solid line, clear? So the attractive forces which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative atom of other molecule is known as hydrogen bonding. So what is the strength of hydrogen bond? It is weaker than covalent bond and strength of bond ranges 10 to 40 kilojoule per mole energy released during the formation of bond, which is very less as compared to covalent bond, that is 400 kilojoule per mole, and it is 1/10 time weaker than covalent bond, and bond length also greater than a covalent bond. So in case of covalent bond there is a less bond length, but in case of hydrogen bonding there is a larger bond length as compared to covalent bond. So what is the cause of formation of hydrogen bond? Key reason. So we already discussed what is electron activity. It is a tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. So due to polar nature, इस केस दे विच फ्लोरीन अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन एटम, दैट्स वाई हेयर पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड हेयर पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज डेवलप. सो ड्यू टू पोलर नेचर ऑफ and electronegative tendency of an atom. So A साढ़े को electronegative element are that attract electron from a hydrogen molecule. That's why here partial positive charge and partial negative charge create on a electronegative atom. So this electronegative atom have partial negative charge and this hydrogen atom partial positive charge. So that's why this electronegative atom attract this hydrogen positive charge towards itself, and the electrostatic force present between positively hydrogen atom and partially negative electronegative atom. So what is the reason? Due to polar nature, because there is a difference between electronegativity of hydrogen atom and most electronegative atom. That's why there is a, due to polar nature or polarity create two pole create, that is positive charge and negative charge on hydrogen atom and electronegative element. So that's why that attract the hydrogen atom to another molecule from it towards itself. Clear? Next we discuss what are the conditions for hydrogen bond. So what are the conditions for hydrogen bonding? So it first required high electronegative atom bonded to hydrogen atom. पहली condition की है कि hydrogen atom साढ़े को electronegative element नू attach होना चाहिए. For example fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, in some cases chlorine. Clear? Especially with these three elements. Clear? Second point, the electronegative atom has small size, means the size की होना चाहिए small. So these three show a maximum tendency to form a hydrogen bond. Clear? For example HF, it is a solid in state. In solid state it form a zigzag long chains with molecule associate together, मतलब कि इकट्ठे हो गए साढ़े को झुंड जिहा बना लिया. Similarly in case of water it is a cage like structure. So each oxygen atom surrounded by 4 hydrogen atom tetrahedrally. So इस ढंग दे नाल साढ़े को hydrogen bonding है जिहड़ी ओह present होंदी है in case of HF and H2O molecule. Similarly in case of ammonia. Next we discuss how many types of hydrogen bonding. Mainly two types. intermolecular hydrogen bond and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So first we discuss intermolecular hydrogen bond. So in case of intermolecular hydrogen bond, the bond is formed between two different molecules of different substance, mean of same or different substance or different substance. So ਇਹ ਉਹ type ਦੀ bonding ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਦੋ ਇੱਕੋ different molecules ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ different substance ਦੇ molecules ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ present ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. Means in example in HF molecule. So it is this type of hydrogen bonding is called intermolecular ਕਿ ਦੋ different molecules ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ present ਹੈ. Similarly substance same ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ HF ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Similarly in case of A ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ROH alcohol ਦਾ formula ਹੈ. Here it is a formula of water. So here tendency to form hydrogen bonding between alcohol and water is water the oxygen alcohol ਦੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਐਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ alcohol ਦੀ ਉਹ ਵਾਟਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਟਮ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਦੀ ਬੌਂਡ ਇਜ਼ ਫਾਰਮਡ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਟੂ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਸ ਆਫ ਸੇਮ ਔਰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ. मतलब कि सबसटेंस सेम भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है. ठीक है सर, जानी दो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स दे विच जिहड़ी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फॉर्म होंदी है दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. नेक्स्ट इज इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. द बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनैगेटिव एटम प्रेजेंट इन सेम मॉलिक्यूल. इको मॉलिक्यूल दे विच इलेक्ट्रोनैगेटिव एलीमेंट भी प्रेजेंट होवे, हाइड्रोजन एटम भी प्रेजेंट होवे इन केस ऑफ ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनोल. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इज कॉल्ड इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. So intramolecular hydrogen bonding result in the crystal cyclization of the molecules and prevent their association. So intramolecular hydrogen bonding are present in mainly molecules present in ring way, in ring position जिन्हां दी cyclic chains होण उन्हां दे केस च साडे को form होंदी है. Clear? Next we discuss what are the influence of hydrogen bonding on the properties of molecules or compounds, के how it affect physical state, melting and boiling point and solubility, or whether a molecule associate or dissociate. So how it affect the properties of molecules. So first one is hydrogen bonding has important effect on physical properties. First we discuss association. So due to this two or more molecules of compound as associated molecules. So due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, two or more molecules of a compound exist in an associated state. For example, carboxylic acid. These two molecules come close to each other. It's a molecular mass also double and increase in size. So साढ़े को जड़े दो molecules ने इकट्ठे होके एक molecule form कर लेंगे due to this hydrogen bonding. So it exists in a dimer form. It exists in a dimer form. कित्थे कल्ले दा mass साढ़े को घट है, but जे दो molecule जोड़ के आपस एक molecule बनाते that has a higher molecular mass. Clear? Next point is high melting and boiling point. So the compounds containing hydrogen bond have high melting and boiling point. Why? Because of hydrogen bonding and the strong electrostatic force of attraction in the molecules becomes large. So it means it requires a large energy to break the bond between the molecules. So why molecules have high melting and boiling point? Because those molecules which is presence of hydrogen bonding due to strong electrostatic force of attraction present, that's why it required more energy to break that type of force of attraction. That's why its boiling point and melting point is high. Some we discuss the trend of group 15 element hydride. So in case of ammonia there is a strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding present. So that's why it is high melting and boiling point as compared to other group member hydride. Similarly H2O, it exists in a liquid state at room temperature while other exist in a gaseous state at room temperature. Why it exists as a liquid state? Because due to presence of hydrogen bonding and it has high melting and boiling point as compared to other group members. So due to increase in size and less tendency to form hydrogen bonding. But in case of water, strong hydrogen molecular hydrogen bonding present in this case. Similarly in case of HF, it exists in a liquid state while HCl as a gas and HBr also exists in a gaseous state at room temperature. So why it is liquid and more high melting and boiling point? Due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding as compared to other. But थल्ले नु जाने increase करदा due to increase in size, but less than these three molecules as compared to other group member molecules. Clear? Next factor that is related to same, influence on physical state. Due to presence of hydrogen bonding, some molecules exist in a liquid as well as a solid state. For example, H2O is a liquid at room temperature while H2 is a gas due to presence of strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding in case of water. But in this case there is a weak or not a maximum tendency to form hydrogen bonding present in H2S due to low electronegativity of sulfur as compared to oxygen atom. So that's why your question, H2 is a liquid while H2 is a gas at room temperature due to presence of hydrogen bonding in case of water molecule. But there is a less electronegativity of sulfur and have less tendency to form a hydrogen bonding between the molecules. Clear? Last factor that is a solubility. The substance which are capable to form hydrogen bonding with other substance, they are highly soluble. For example, alcohol maximum soluble in water due to have tendency to form a hydrogen bonding with water molecule. Next we discuss water and unusual liquids. So water is the most common substance on earth. It has many unusual properties because it have ability to dissolve maximum compounds in it. So it mainly ionic compound, polar inorganic, organic compounds are dissolve in it. So water has high heat of vaporization, high heat of fusion, specific heat, also high its freezing point 0 degrees Celsius and its boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Due to these reasons it has a act as an unusual liquid. So now we discuss hydrogen bonding in case of water and ice. The phenomena of hydrogen bonding is responsible for interesting behavior of water. In common observation, the density of ice is less than water because ice always floats over water and water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. So first we discuss ice lighter than water. Ice lighter than water or float over water due to presence of vacant space in ice because each oxygen atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. So tetrahedrally joined by 4 hydrogen atoms. So इस तरह दी साडे को structure होंगी. Like this tetrahedral structure, so there is a vacant space or cage like structure present in this case. So when we put ice and water, the air bubbles through these vacant space, that's why it float over water. So किते ना किते vacant space होंदी है जबकि water molecule दे विच साडे को जिहड़ी हैगी है vacant space नहीं present होंदी, strong जिहड़ी hydrogen bonding होंदी है. So that's why it float over water. That's why it's less density as compared to वाटर क्योंकि जो असी आइस में वाटर च पाने वो बबल साढ़े को कितने ना कितने उपर आते हैं जिदे करके जी वाटर के उपर फ्लोट करती है. क्लीयर? Next question is why water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. So when ice is melted by increasing temperature, the open cage structure starts collapsing due to partial breakdown of hydrogen bonds. So due to partial breakdown of hydrogen bond and hydrogen molecules come close to each other and vacant space present in ice structure filled by water molecules and water molecule come close to each other and the density of water start increasing up to 4 degrees Celsius. Further temperature it decreases due to increase in expansion and kinetic energy of the molecules also increases. Clear? So like this it is a open cage like structure of ice also. So ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ water ਨੂੰ heat ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, so these water molecule come here. So due to vacancy of hydrogen bonding. So ਜਦੋਂ ਇਸ space ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ water molecule ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, they come close to each other. So it come close to each other at up to 4 degrees Celsius and that's why its density is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Clear? So if you guys have any doubt in this chapter or in these any topic, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.